Hey YouTube. So my name is Josh. I'm getting ready to start this journey here and wanted to decide to use YouTube to kind of keep myself accountable and maybe motivate some other people in the process. So a little bit about me. I'm 37. Spent some time in the military and had to be forced to pretty much stay in shape, maintain certain weight standards and whatnot, and got out last August. And since then, just got busy with life and just trying to figure out what's next. I'm a nurse by trade, but being in the military for so long and then getting out, just got into a mindset of not sure what's next and what's going on. So just got busy and my taking care of myself physically. The health part just kind of it's gotten put on the back burner. So today is July 29th. And so I had weighed myself in a couple weeks now. So let's see what I'm weighing right now. Let's see. So I'm at 212. So my goal is to get about 185, 190. That's a good weight for me. I feel the best. My knees are pretty much shot from running over the years, but yeah. So every day, at least twice a day, I'm gonna be posting videos. My plan is to use my Fitness Pal to track my calories, and then use the Zero app. I'm gonna do intermittent fasting. I'm gonna do the 16-8. So I'm actually doing it now. So I won't eat. It's about 9:15. I won't eat till 12 o'clock, and so I'll allow myself to eat for 8 hours. But I'm gonna use my Fitness Pal to make sure I'm not going crazy. My weakness is what I see being a challenge. I love gummy bears. Anything gummy really. Gummy worms, gummy bears, and I love a good drink. Bourbon and Coke, something like that. So those will be my big things. So, and I'm also track my amount of water. So yeah, and let's see here. Go around here. So I'm gonna be using. No, son, just watch what you watching. What's on the TV now? So I'm gonna be using. Just so I can turn this camera around here. All right, let me pause this. Okay, this is what I'm gonna be using here. We just moved into this house, so we're still kind of bare. But this is gonna be our gym. So this is where it's gonna go down on a daily basis. Got a pull-up bar. I'll be doing some push-ups off of that too. But the main thing, I'm gonna try to keep it simple because I know for me, if I get too complicated and try to overdo it, then I won't stay consistent. So got this assault bike. The plan is to do this for 30 minutes every day, 7 days a week. So 30 minutes on there. Then I'm gonna do 30 push-ups, 30 sit-ups, and then every now and then I may switch it up and do some burpees or something. And then I have this ab wheel here. Got this ab wheel, and I got some bands, but I don't think I'm gonna really use those. But like I said, I'm gonna try to keep it simple. And yeah, so that is the plan. That's the goal. And I'm actually getting on this bike now, so I'm gonna try to post videos at least twice a day. Work out in the morning and just again hold myself accountable and maybe motivate some other people along this journey, and see about maybe dropping 30, what's that? Yeah, about 30 to 40 pounds over the next ideally 60 days, but we'll see. See if I can stay disciplined. And if it's your first time here watching this, then if you got some challenges or goals you've been trying to reach, maybe you can get started, set some goals for yourself, and yeah. So Chat with you guys later. Let me get this workout in. All right, YouTube. Got my 30 minutes in. 30 minutes on what's this bike called? Assault bike. 30 minutes, 30 push-ups, and 30 crunches. So it's day one. Still got about 2 hours before I can eat. Since I did the first part of this video, I'll update it MyFitnessPal, so I'll be doing like 2,000 calories, maybe a little bit less, every day. Doing about 45 protein. I think about 30 carbs and like 25 fat. So yeah, checking later on today. I got some ways to go. But yeah, it's real. All right, if you guys haven't subscribed, follow this journey, do it. Get started on your own journey. Be a better version of you. You versus you. All right, chat you guys later.